mysterious.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Coming up round the back of the village. Rather than going down and up, we'll go round. Quite a big village, Wanlockhead. Obviously because of the mining, and it is the highest village in Scotland. But yeah, a fair number of people. The mist coming up over the hills. Incredible valleys hidden in the mist. Walking into the mist. Trying to break through. Let's hope it does. The road zigzags up the hill and they just take us straight up. No pretense. Straight up. Near the top. This is on the top of the hill. Oh, and then there is a sort of a shelter to one side, but that's what we've been trying to get to the top of. It says, welcome to the lunch bowl. Shelter. Woo! You could get 2 people on the floor. There it is. Humming and mysterious. There we go. We're going to swing round to the left and just go over a whole set of tops. Good morning, day 8. Oh, day 7. Rained all day, and the underfoot conditions were wet, absolutely sopping wet. But thankfully, we arrived in the highest village in Scotland for some accommodation, and that meant we could at least get dry again. So today we've already gone up Lowther Hill with its radio station, and now we're sweeping over a series of tops, and hopefully we'll arrive at a much bigger bothy somewhere deep in the woods. So let's see where the day takes us. As always, it's open. The only things around here are sheep. It's a little bit wet underfoot, and you get a post every few hundred meters that you can see in the distance. This is why we came out here. Open landscape. Always look back, but of course sometimes you can't see anything. Just a series of nondescript hills to go up and over. You don't drop down too far, you don't go up too far. Just one hill after another. And at some point, I'm assuming we go down into the valley. The valley floor starts to open up to view. But they're so unkind to us, they take us away. They say, no, you're not going there. You hope the slightly drier underfoot is going to be repeated for a while. Makes it so much easier to walk. We're right on top, and the valley comes into view every now and again, and then disappears in the cloud, comes back into view. The eyes can see more than the camera can show. cloud has lifted, and that's what we see. The mist coming from the next valley. This is a feature of the southern Upland Way. No zigzagging, just go straight up. Oh, that hill was, it was short, but it was brutal. Oh, let's move on. Not quite sure what this is doing at the top of the hill. Not quite sure what it is. But the view is incredible. All the way around. Huge wind farm. Wow, even a little cairn. It's remote and quiet and beautiful. About a kilometre road walk before we go off to the right. Have you been caught on the wrong side? Are you in trouble? You're in trouble. Across the valley floor. Meandering river through the valley. And thankfully they give us a bridge. What is going on here? Some workers are out doing something. Up at a hide up there. A special marker. Halfway. You know you're coming up to a reservoir when you've got a steep bank on one side. And the path goes right across it. Right, so getting onto the dam. And here's the Daer Reservoir. It's a very wide dam, getting on for a kilometre, I would think. A sculpture seen better days. Having just come over the reservoir, looking back, there's the golf ball, and you walk all over those hills, go down, come up, walk over that hill, go down, go across the valley, and go through that forest, and come out at the end there. Up above the reservoir, taking in the view. Up that hill, across that ridge, down to the forest. Haven't really got close enough, but we see birds of prey all the time. Ooh. Rain sweeping in to the valleys we're in this morning. Ooh. One more. Not that big. So really all that's happened coming up from the reservoir and going over these two hills is we followed the fence line all the way up, and when it's turned, we've turned. So, whew, long way. Felling process on one side and our path goes on the other side. Getting closer to that rain. For our last look at the map, go across two of these forestry roads and then about 1 kilometre and a bit, and that was the second forestry road. A long skinny path off the main path to get you to the Bothy. Haven't seen it yet. Here is the Bothy. Wow, what a building. Gathering water from the local stream. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, that's not too bad. Very nice.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.